Hello all, I'm doing a little bit of work on me Necromunda table, bits and bobs. Started to put some of the stairs together and that. So I'm in a bit of a dilemma really. I've still got a bit done because I'm trying to build everything really modular. I'm not gluing anything down. I'm trying to keep pieces in like, do you get me? So it's a versatile table, which is never really that much fun. I'd much rather stick stuff down, but hey ho. Definitely going to need more of this. The more I start to use stuff, the more I realise that's a core component, and those. But I do like how the other pieces are the same height so you can work off them. I started having a bit of a weathering up the tower, and the force just thought I'd go like a battleship style colour. It's quite detailed, you can see. Not finished yet. Got to paint out some of the colours, I think. Like paint the pipes brown and some of the railings different colours. Spray with a bit of the blue. I think I might take a bit of a break from terrain and start doing my Gene Steel coat. So anyways, I'm pretty impressed with the stuff. It's a good kit, so it's not bad at all. So I'll catch you later anyway.